Welcome. In this tutorial video, we're going to be talking about how to take any image and convert it into a silhouette for digital use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this image of the soccer player here, cut him out, and convert him into a silhouette for future use for a graphic work, such as a logo design. So what I'm going to do is first make a copy of this layer. So I'll click and drag it to the new layer option. There's my copy. Then I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to title that background or BG. After I do that, I'm going to move that layer so it goes underneath the layer copy. There you go. Now with still the background layer selected, I'm going to select the paint bucket, convert it to white, and drop in white. If you switch off this layer here, you'll see that it's a white background. I'll click back on the layer copy and get the quick selection tool, and I'm going to make a selection of the athlete with the soccer ball. It can go easy or take a little bit more time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select around the character here. You can also select them from the inside out, but I'm doing from the outside. When you do a big selection, you might miss some areas. So I'm going to zoom in with a small brush with the quick selection and tighten up the selections. Notice that stripe is separating itself against the background, so I might need to switch my selection option from a plus to a minus and get the rest of the head there. So basically I'm going to scout around my whole image, make a tight selection on everything I want. If there's anything that needs to be defined further,
everyone please find the seats.
I recommend a quick mask for that feature. It's a little choppy because I fast forwarded it, so it gets a little choppy. But now I'm going into the quick mask just by pressing the letter Q, and I'm touching up anything that was a little hard for me to select with just the quick selection tool. Again, just searching around the entire piece. And if I'm in the quick mask mode, I can paint in what I'd like to keep in the silhouette. Red. I'm going to use actually the brush here, make a circle slightly larger than soccer ball, isolate that. That feels pretty good to me. Getting out of the quick mask mode, I have the selection. I need to invert it. And the way I can invert the selection is just go to the select option at the top and hit inverse. I'm going to just do a quick layer mask on that. And then I'm going to go up to the layer mask, hold down Command, and click it. And that will retain the selection. I'll then go to add a layer, select paint bucket, convert it to black, and fill. And now I can go to deselect. And now I actually have a layer that is a silhouette selection. Just to show you how that looks, I'm going to get rid of the background, which was white, and I can move around my new layer. That's just a silhouette. I can click out my original photograph as well, so you can see if you're happy with it. Again, that's how you do a silhouette selection of anything you want. Good luck, everyone.